As we mentioned earlier, we are nearing 1,200 cases of whooping cough. Most are children 11 to 14 years old and 1 to 6 as well. Now, the best way to arm yourself, protect your children, is to get vaccinated yourself against whooping cough. And today we have volunteers with Colorado Adult Immunization Coalition here in our Call 7 Center. I'm going to step aside for a second so you can see them. These very attractive people here are ready to take your calls and answer your questions. The number is 303-832-2557. And joining me right now is Dr. Lisa Miller. Nice to have you here. Thanks for taking the time to inform us about this, Doctor. We really appreciate it. And you're with the Department of Public Health for the state of Colorado.
That's correct.
Okay, now flu season is just ramping up, and you say it's okay to take these precautions to get the flu shot and the whooping cough shot at the same time?
Right, and in fact, it's a good opportunity. If you're going to the doctor and you're going to get one of those shots, ask if you should get the other as well. You can get two.
So no problems as far as piling on these vaccinations?
No problems whatsoever.
Okay, is one of these diseases more serious than the other? Is one more of a priority to try to clamp down on right away?
You know, they're both priorities for us. Flu season is beginning in Colorado, and we're also having a pertussis epidemic. So we want to pay attention to both of these conditions. Both of these conditions can mean somebody gets sick enough to be in the hospital or even die. So these are both very concerning conditions.
Serious concerns, and I want to step aside again. Describe for us the level of expertise that we have here among these volunteers.
So we have volunteers from the State Health Department from our immunization program. We also have volunteers from the School of Pharmacy who really can answer questions about the vaccine and are experts in that area.
Now, we talk about this every year, Doctor. People tell us that they are afraid and have concerns about getting a vaccination of any sort, especially the flu shot, because they think they're going to get the disease from the vaccination. Any truth to that, your response?
Complete myth, really complete myth. And in fact, the flu shot is the best way to protect yourself against the flu. So we definitely recommend that folks get a flu shot.
All right, so we are going to be here with you all through this hour. You're going to be taking phone calls, so just because you don't see the volunteers doesn't mean that they've gone away. They are still here manning these phones. Thank you, Dr. Miller. Thanks to all these wonderful volunteers. They can help you answer questions about your concerns regarding the immunization. They also can direct you to a location near you. So again, call that number, 303-832-2557. Again, they're here till noon. But right now we send it back to Mitch.